What's up everybody, I'm Tony from Tony's Professional Touch, based out of San Bernardino, California. And in today's video, I'm gonna be talking to you guys about how I get clients for my detailing business. So let's get right into it, follow me along.
Hey Tony, so how'd you get this customer right here?
A referral, word of mouth.
So, word of mouth. Is that how you get most of your business? Half? What percentage of business comes from word of mouth?
I'd say probably half.
And how does that work? Do you have a secret? Do you have a formula?
Not really, no secrets. It's just I do a good job and then they like it and they'll let their friends know.
That's it?
Yeah, I don't really ask them to tell their friends. They just like tell their friends. I'm like, dope.
So this customer said that George recommended you?
Mm-hmm. That he gave them my number.
So he must know you.
I don't know. I don't remember him. I don't know.
Dang.
This was last year in 2021, literally like almost a full year ago, July 29th.
What?
For this client, the last time that I was here, July 29th of 2021.
So there's a year gap?
Yeah.
Why? How come she didn't stick with the maintenance program?
I don't know.
But she just hit you out of nowhere?
Yeah, but the last year I did a Jeep for her. I don't know if she still has it, but I did a Jeep. And then this year I'm doing these two and then her mother-in-law's car.
Hey, how do you feel about that? When customers, they use you once and then they don't use you for a long time and then they try to come back?
I'm okay with it because she's not a bad client or anything. She's just probably like wants her cars cleaned once a year, like thoroughly.
Now, you know what, bro? Because the rims, we were talking about it, they're kind of stained. So maybe she's tried a few people.
Possibly, but I've never done that one before. So it might have been stained like a year ago or 2 years ago.
Hey Tony, so another way that you were getting business and you could update us is Instagram ads. A couple months ago, you were going hard.
Yeah.
How much were you spending on ads?
Roughly around $3,000 a month.
Why so much?
I'm just trying to see what it can do.
Before you were spending $3,000, you were testing it out and it was getting you clients.
Yeah.
So I'm assuming you thought the more money I put, the more clients I'll get.
Yeah.
How did that turn out?
It didn't work out the way I thought it would work out. I was getting kind of the same amount of like inquiries. And then like later on, it just kind of started dying down. The ads weren't working as well. I started getting less and less people to hitting me up from the ads. So I just kind of let it go. And I was like, I'll maybe try it out again some other time. But like right now, I'm not really too worried about it.
And what type of customers was it bringing you? Your ideal customers or different type of customers?
Different type of customers, not necessarily the ones that I was really trying to look for. Like I was advertising a bunch of different packages and services and like different vehicles that we service. But for the most part, I was just getting a bunch of people that wanted just regular car washes, which isn't really my ideal type of client. And also they're kind of far, like too far out for just a car wash.
I got you, man. Are you doing any ads right now or you completely stopped?
Right now, I'm pretty much completely stopped.
Hey, so would you say Google is another way you get business?
Yeah.
What do you do? Like, you made a business profile or?
Yeah. Just made a Google business page, and then they send you in the mail like a confirmation code and whatnot, and then you just type it in on Google My Business, and you're all set up on Google, and you just type in all your information. And then I'm ranking pretty high on Google in my area because I have a good amount of reviews. Not as many as I like I definitely should be having at least over 400 to 500 and only have like less than 50, I think. So it's definitely not where it should be, but that's on me. I gotta ask for reviews because I usually just service them and or like sometimes I'll ask for reviews and the clients will either forget or get busy or something and never write the review.
All right, man, but hey, Google, seems like it's helping. Yeah,
because they just, like for new clients, people just look it up on Google. They put detailer in my area or something, and then I'll pop up if I'm near their area. And then they'll just contact me from there. So I usually get around 3 to 5 calls a day from Google. And so that's potential clientele right there. And I'm not really paying anything or really doing anything. It's just because my business is posted up on Google.
Hey, how do you balance taking phone calls and detailing? Because right now you're doing everything yourself. Is it difficult?
Yeah, but I never answer the phone calls. So what I'll do is if for like I never answer anyone who's not my client. I'll usually never answer the phone call. I'll send them an automated text that just says, "Hey, I'm Tony from Touch Professional Touch. Please send me a message with what we can help you with today." And then they'll usually send a text back and let me know what they need done, and then I'll ask them more questions later on, see if we can schedule an appointment for them.
Excuse me, I had a quick question. Just because we're doing some marketing research, how'd you hear about Tony?
Our contractor, George, recommended him to us. Do you know George? I don't know if you remember. I don't know where he got your contact. I don't know if you've done his cars or he knows somebody that knows you.
He's only contacted me once,
but
I haven't done his cars yet.
Oh, you haven't done his cars?
He has a white Jeep and a white Silverado or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, he's the one who gave me his number.
Oh, he does great work, by the way.
Oh, I know. He's actually done one of my cars already.
You still have the Jeep or no?
I do. It's in the garage, yeah. I do. Yeah.
So, we're kind of curious, and it's okay.
Yeah.
Have you tried other detailers before? And how was your experience?
The only other one I've tried is and they detailed that little blue car when we first got it, and they were okay.
What didn't you like, or what didn't wow you?
I just think Tony's was like the little details, like the AC vents or like the little vents or just like little things like that I've noticed. And he did the Jeep, which was in way worse condition than that one, and they did such a good job with the Jeep that, so I could just imagine what these are going to look like, you know? Yeah. And then I like the fact that like you come to my house, you know?
Did they come to your place?
No, they didn't. And yeah, I know. And
you had to go drop it off at a shop?
Yeah, I had to drop it off, and then I have to find a ride. And yeah, you know, so it's just, I don't know. And then you're so like good about communicating, and you're so flexible. Like for example, right now with my mother-in-law, I don't know why I thought I told you the leather, and then I was looking back at the text messages, and I was like, oh my God, the mini detail doesn't include the leather. That's why he said plus leather. So then I told you, and then you still worked it in. So you're just like really like flexible, and I don't know, he's just easy to work with. So
all right,
yeah,
thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
Hey Tony, they like you, bro. So you heard that about our detailer. Now, what would you say? They were sloppy, or maybe they didn't pay attention to the details, or they rushed it?
I'm not sure because I didn't get to see like the aftermath of the work. But maybe they just weren't as like into detail as I am. I don't know. I hear that a lot about a lot of detailers, but I don't know them, so.
They didn't put no love into it, Tony. That's what it was.
Maybe they're busy or something. They're trying to like get it out the way and just knock it out fast. I don't know.
Hey Tony, so we're talking about how you get business. Have you ever tried something that was a complete waste of money?
Yep.
Why?
It didn't work at all. I didn't. I spent like $300 and I didn't get a single like booking from it. Not even like I probably only got like 2 inquiries, but like it was a waste of time and money.
Hey, I heard Yelp people, they hit you up a lot. Is that true?
Yeah.
Like they're trying to get you to spend more money with them.
Yep.
Yeah. Did you fall for it?
Nah. Well, once, but it wasn't with one of the representatives or anything. It was more like on the app, and it was like I think it was like spend $14 a day or something, like for like 1 month, which equals out to like 300 something, and get all these like potential jobs or whatnot in your area. And so I did it, and I didn't get a single job from any of them. It kind of seemed like fake robots. A lot of the messages that I was like getting or whatnot, it seemed like they're like the same repetitive, and then the usernames were the same, pictures were the same, so I was like, it looks fake.
How about discounts or promotions? Have you ever tried that, and how did it go?
I've tried a couple of times, and for the most part, usually people don't really ever take advantage of the promotions that I throw out there, so I don't know, it's a little weird. People just prefer paying regular price, I guess.
Like a couple weeks ago, you did one, right?
Mm-hmm. So I did a level 1 plus a 1-year ceramic coating, shop drop-off only for $100 off, and nobody wanted to book it in. So I was like, all right. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys have tried to give a discount or a special, and did it work out for you guys, or what happened? Let me know in the comments down below.
What's the next marketing strategy you want to try? Or what current marketing strategy are you trying to grow?
I think the Google SEO with the website, and also Instagram, but with Facebook, because you know how Facebook and Instagram are kind of connected.
Yeah.
So a little bit more into Facebook than Instagram. So I guess making ads through Facebook, but I guess when you make ads through Facebook, it kind of like connects with the Instagram and it kind of does both. So something like that.
Oh, so still trying ads out, see how they do?
Yeah, but like not right now, but eventually.
All right, man. And do you have enough business? Where you at? Slow, picking up?
For myself, it's enough, but if I have someone else with me, it's not enough type of thing. So yeah, it's a little weird. Right now it's been a little inconsistent. Like there's these past 2 weeks super busy, but next week doesn't seem to be that busy, but I don't know, who knows. Maybe over the weekend I'll get a bunch of inquiries, or maybe towards like the beginning of the week, next week, I'll start getting a bunch of inquiries. But as of right now, next week looks pretty slow already. Like I only got like, I think 5 cars booked in for the whole week. And they were maintenance. They're maintenance clients. They're not like new clients.
So would you say when you only have maintenance, it's not a very good day financially?
When I have maintenance, it's a okay day if they're all maintenance, but it'd be better if I can throw some details in there, like some more thorough details.
All right. Since you don't have a lot of openings, would you be more open to same day details or no?
It depends. Sometimes I do offer that, but like let's say if I'm really busy and someone wants a same day appointment, I'll usually charge double. So it just depends on up to them. But that's only when I'm busy and if I have availability, because sometimes I'm way overbooked that I can't fit them in. So they just have to schedule for another day. Have you guys tried Google ads, Instagram ads, Facebook ads? Let me know in the comments down below if those type of ads have worked for you and how you guys did them. And there you guys have it. Those are the different ways that I get business for my detailing business. Let me know if you guys have any tips for me. If you do, please drop them down in the comments down below. And remember, if you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.